Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzak Ridwan bin Muhammad Nasir from Group BAY 1/2. This is my project. The title is Temperature Controller System. Okay, for introduction, the project is about instrument that used to control temperature, and we use the Arduino Uno as a main controller for this project. This is the list of components that we use. First, Arduino Uno, and then next LCD display to show the output or the result of project, and then the button, we use it as a set point to set the point, and then relay 1K resistor, we have 3 the resistor, and then BC543 or we know as NPN transistor, and then LED, we have LED blue and red. The function of this LED to show that if the relay turn on or turn off, and then LM35 temperature sensor. This is the Arduino Uno that we use, and for this for the project, we have 3 input and 3 output. The first input is LM35 as a temperature sensor, and then we have the button up and button down. That's 3 input. And then for 3 output, we have LCD display to display the temperature or result of project, and the relay to turn on or turn off the heater, and then LED to know that relay on or off. This is the design circuit. Okay, we can see this is the Arduino Uno, and then this is LM35 temperature sensor. This is the button up and down, and the LCD, and the LED blue or red, and then this is NPN transistor, and this is relay. This is our flowchart. Okay, first start, and then the LCD will show the PBI project temperature controller, and then before we know the temperature and the set point, we need to know the set point first, which is if the set point greater than 0, then we calculate the set point, and if false, it will go down and go to the set point less than 0. After we know the set point, and then we need to key in the input, which is the temperature sensor value. The temperature sensor value will be filled at the temperature sensor value placed at the temperature equation, and then from the result that we got from equation, will be compared to temperature and set point. If temperature greater than set point, the heater will off, and LED red off, and LED blue on. If false, it will go to temperature less than set point, which is heater will on and LED red on, while LED blue is off. And then for the result, the LCD will show the temperature and set point for this project, and the end. Next, this is the coding, which is we declare the LCD at pin 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, while the LED red 10, LED blue 11, and relay is 12. And for the button up and button down, 3 and 2. Then okay, this is we need to know the set point first before we calculate the temperature. And then this is the where we compare the temperature and set point. If the temperature greater than set point, the heater will turn off, and the LED blue will on. And if the temperature is lower than set point, the heater will turn on and the red LED will turn on. So the conclusion for this project is we are able to design the circuit that use Arduino and other equipment that relate to their study case, such as relay, LCD, and more. Besides that, students also learn how to construct a coding that can running the project. Maybe while they try to running, there are some error, but students are able to fix it. And lastly, students know the function and the use of the component that used in this project, such as Arduino as a main controller for this project, and LM35 as a temperature sensor. So that's all from me. Thank you.